Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Lindy. This is a short video with an interview of the patient on a 5-month update on a younger black guy, front 2/3 of his head. And so this fellow looked like this beforehand. And he's still got preservation of his hairline. It's almost like female type male pattern baldness, which we see occasionally in people from the United States. We see a lot of them from the Indian subcontinent, more than anywhere else. And I don't know that there's any reason for that. But what that means is we got the patient has preservation of their hairline, and we started about a ½ inch behind that and worked south. And so we did him on a Saturday, right when COVID started.
Yeah.
And he's got a nice wife who sat here with him. And then he was from out of town, and we didn't hear from him. We went, I think he's from Richmond, and we went to Richmond. We called in, no response, and he showed up when we were down there for his 5th month visit. And as you guys may know, at 5 months, it's probably just starting to grow. So here's his video. All right, Steve, you are 5 months and 3 days out from us doing a pretty good sized case on you. And as I just, hang on, I gotta get rid of this light. And as I just told you, at 5 months and 3 days, typically it's not growing at all. And you are growing. I mean, you look good, but in a couple more months, it's going to look even better.
Yep.
Have I been pretty upfront with you? Any surprises? Or
Nope. No surprises.
And how much did it hurt? I remember you and your wife sat there. We did it on a Saturday, all right?
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Okay. And so I'd like to see you again, in about 7 months, and get some final pictures. But man, that looks better than I would expect at this point, and it's only going to get better. Thanks for coming in.
No problemo.
He looks pretty good.
He does.
And
It's a big difference.
Yeah, and that's only at 5 months. And so the advantage of black hair is that this is the typical white guy hair. It's fairly straight, and the typical black guy hair is like this. It just covers better. It's like a boxwood bush in your front yard. You don't put marigolds to camouflage your neighbor's house. You put boxwoods or Leyland cypresses, right?
He's a tree expert, so I guess.
And
yes.
so at 5 months, and then the scar, here's a close up of his scar. Looks really quite good. And hopefully we'll see him in about 13 months and get a final result. And I bet he'll need another one to deal with that hairline and his crown at some point.
Yeah, he was easy to work.
Nice boy.
Very nice.
Nice fellow.
Yeah. The wife.
His wife
nice
is the
too.
saint.
Yeah.
Keeping his head clean.
Yeah, he did a good job, and he looks really, really good at 5 months.
Yeah.
Can't wait for the year.
Yeah. So if we can help you, if you're a younger guy, watch some of our younger guy videos, and I would encourage you to get your parents involved so that you don't get sold something either by us two or by any of these salespeople that will try to sell you something that'll fit your budget. Make sure you know what you're getting yourself into and plan for the future. Thank you.